How to remove Quickstep app for Android tutorial. Want to remove the Quickstep app from your Android phone? Here's the fastest way to disable or uninstall it in 2025. So, Quickstep is Google's default launcher on many Android devices. It controls your home screen, app drawer, and gestures. Since it's a system app, you can't just uninstall it like normal apps. So first, go ahead and open settings on your device and then scroll down and look for the apps tab. So go ahead and click on apps from here, and then from here go ahead and set this to all apps and then look for quick step. So if you see a disable button, tap on it. So if you have found quick step from here, go ahead and open it and then click on the disable button. So you can use the search bar to look for it. You can also scroll down into your app list to look for it. Now, once you have found it, go ahead and open it up and then click on the disable button. This removes quick stop from your home screen and stops it from running. Now, if you don't find the disable button, click on force stop. So another thing you can do is to go ahead and replace the launcher. So to replace the launcher, go ahead and install a new launcher like Nova Launcher. So open Play Store into your device, and then on Play Store, head over into the search tab. And then once you're in here, go ahead and use the search bar to look for Nova Launcher. Then once you have found Nova Launcher, click on it and click on install. Now, after you install it, go to Settings, Default Apps, Home App, and set your new launcher as default. Quickstep will no longer control your home screen. And that is how you can basically remove Quickstep app. Removing Quickstep without a replacement launcher can break navigation, so always install another launcher first. Now you know how to remove Quickstep on Android in 2025. So did you disable it or uninstall it? Drop your experience in the comments.